Hi, I'm Tadao of Mada Tsukaerude. Mada Tsukaerude is Japanese, meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. Today, I'm gonna show you how to service a Venturi of water softener. I use Kenmore AutoSoft 180, but looks like this Venturi is commonly used in other models. So I think this video will help you to repair your water softener. So I also made another video, two more videos before, and how to repair the water softener if it doesn't do the regeneration well. So the Venturi is a key component that actually suck water from the salt water and supply it to the column, the ion exchanging column to regenerate that beads. And so what I did before was I took it apart and clean it and put it back together. But the seal inside the Venturi has some indentations, and so it didn't really seal well. So I put the olive oil in it to treat it, and it worked a little bit, but it's not really perfect. So I decided to replace the seal. And the seal is actually available. You can buy it through eBay or Amazon, and it's not really that expensive. So I'm gonna show you how to replace the seal. So this is the Kenmore AutoSoft 180 water softener. About a month ago, I repaired the Venturi that actually is needed when this guy goes regeneration. And what happens here is I thought the Venturi flow was high enough, but obviously if you open this tank, you see the water level. The water level is close to the end of the water, the top. There is a float there. Okay, so if I keep pushing this recharge, then you're gonna force going the recharge cycle, and as you see, the water is top of the float, so there's no water flowing in, so that's okay. But if you go next step, then that is the drain, and then this guy Venturi is working, and that is the flow with the current Venturi. What I did before was I took it apart to clean it, and to make the seal, I used the olive oil as a grease for the gasket, or the rubber gasket, but this was not really enough to drain out all the water in the tank. So what I'm gonna do is replace the gasket and see what happens in terms of this water level. I mean the water flow level. Okay, I'm gonna just end the cycle. One more. And one more. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this panel. It's easy. Just push this guy, then the same thing on this side, remove it, and then this guy, this is the Venturi. I'm gonna unscrew this and pop out this guy. Oh, maybe I can just do the replacement here. Okay. Open this. Okay. And you have this Mexican hat. And you have this one. And then I need some picking thing. This one. So this is a rubber seal, and as you can see, there's the indentation pattern, and this pattern is very important. This is caused by this side. This part, the water gonna come when the recharge cycle start. Water, the high pressure water is coming from this tiny hole, and it goes through here, and then creates a water jet here, and that water jet will suck the water from this part, and this part is actually sucking water from here center, and this is how the Venturi works, and the water sucked from here is from the tank. So if that rubber seal does not seal these walls well, then that vacuum created by the water jet is not really strong enough to suck the water. And I bought this water softener gasket 3-pack online. This is I think this was Amazon or eBay, either way if you Google search, and you can this Venturi Venturi pump is used for many models, and looks like there are not many kinds. This guy gonna fit to the many models of the water softeners. So all I have to do is I'll probably put some the olive oil on the surface so that they're gonna seal better, and then put it back together. Okay, I put the olive oil and wiped with the 15 paper. And then I'm gonna put this guy. You have to be careful about the directions. Okay, I put it, aligning the notch. And put back this guy. And put back the Mexican hat. Mexican hat also have the direction. You see the notch here. Notch here. So I have to align this notch. This one should be aligned well, and tighten this. Okay. Alright. Let's try this then. Okay, let's see how it goes in terms of the flow. I'm gonna push, hold, water filling. So it's full, so it doesn't fill. So I gotta go next step. So this is the water flow. I don't know, this might be a little bit higher, but it might be almost same as before. I don't know. So we have to run this cycle for a while and see what happens in terms of the water level. Okay, after the cycle, the water level is down. Hopefully, if you continue this, the water gonna be low enough. Yeah, well, I think it's better than the previous seal, so I think I'll keep using this. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.